Question number 9, Part A. In the Venn diagram, shade the region represented by A intersection B. A intersection B means we have to shade the common part of A and B. So this is actually we have to connect this part. Part B. This Venn diagram shows information about the number of students who study English, Spanish, and German. Find the number of students who study English and German but not Spanish. So this is actually the common part of English and German. So if we consider this is actually the member, that is 5 members are present in this group. So the answer is 5. Part 2. Find number of German union Spanish complement. So if we see that the number of German union Spanish complement is 11 and 4. So 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. Question number 12, expand and simplify. So first of all, I will do 3 into 2x and 3 into 1 and 2 into 4x and 2 into 3. So it will be 6x plus 3 minus 2 into 4x, it will be minus 8x minus 2 into 3, that will be minus 6. So I'll gather the like term, so it will be 6x minus 8x plus 3 minus 6. After solving, I'll get minus 2x and minus 3. So the answer is minus 2x and minus 3. Part B, x plus 5 into x minus 3. So I will take x into x minus 3 plus 5 into x minus 3. So I will expand. So it will be x into x, this is x squared, and x into minus 3, so it will be minus 3x. Plus 5 into x is 5x, and 5 into 3 is minus 15. So I'll solve the together term, like terms. So it will be minus 3x plus 5x, it will be plus 2x minus 15. So it will be x squared plus 2x minus 15. Question number 13. The nth term of the sequence is 3n square minus 1. Find the first 3 terms of the sequence. For the first term, I will put n is equal to 1. So it will be 3 times 1 square minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1. It will be 2. For second term, I'll put n is equal to 2. So it will be 3 times 2 square minus 1. So it will be 3 into 4 minus 1. So it will be 11. For n is equal to 3. So it will be 3 times 3 square minus 1 is equal to 3 times 9 minus 1 is equal to 27 minus 1 is equal to 26. So the numbers are 2, 11 and 26. Part B. These are the first 5 terms of the different sequence 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. Find an expression in terms of n for the nth term of the sequence. So we have to derive the general formula. So if we see it carefully, this is equal to 3 raised 0. So this is equal to 3 raised 1, 3 raised 2, 3 raised 3 and 3 raised 4. So if I continue this, and if we see, this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, This is the fourth term and this is the fifth term. So on fifth term, the power is 3 raised 4. So if I continue this pattern, so it will be n and the power is 1 less than n. So it will be 3 raised n minus 1. So this is the pattern of actually 3 raised n minus 1. Question number 14. B, C, and D are points on the circumference of a circle. Center O. AB is tangent to the circle at B. BD is a diameter and OCA is a straight line. CTB is equal to x degree. Find an expression in terms of x for each of the following. Write each expression in its simplest form. So part A, we need to find out angle COP. So if we see the triangle OCD, so angle D is x. So these are the radii of the circles. So this angle must be equal to x. So if we consider triangle OCD, if this is x, this is x, so this angle is equal to 2x. This is point O and DC. So COP, that angle is 2x. Part B, angle OAB. So if we see the triangle OAB, so AB is tangent on OB, so this angle is 90 degree. So if we consider triangle OAB is equal to angle O plus angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, and angle O is 2x. Angle A we need to find out, and angle B is equal to 90 degree. So if I solve it, it will be 180 degree minus 90, and it will be 90 degree. So 2x plus A is equal to 90 degree. So it will be A is equal to 90 minus 2x. So this angle is 90 minus 2x. For angle CBO. For CBO, we can see that if I consider triangle OCB, so this side is equal to this side. Again, this is the radius of the circle. So this angle is A. This angle is also A. So I will make the triangle. This is A. This is A. And we need to find, this is 2x. So I have to find out angle A. This point is O, C and B. So A plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. So this is 2A plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. And up to that, 180 minus 2x. So 2A is equal to 180 minus 2x. To find out the value of angle A, it will be 180 minus 2x over 2. So it will be 2 times 90 minus x over 2. 2 will cancel out and the angle will be 90 minus x. Question number 15. triangle ABC is mathematically similar to triangle DEC. AB is equal to 12 centimeter, BC is equal to 27 centimeter, CD is equal to 7 centimeter, and DE is equal to 3 centimeter. Calculate AC. So triangle ABC is mathematically similar to triangle DEC. So it means the ratio of two sides of the triangle are same. So AC over CD is equal to AB over ED. You just plug in the values, that is CD is 7, AB is 12, and ED is 3. After cross multiplying, I get 12 over 3 multiplied by 7. So it is equal to 4 into 7, that is equal to 28. So 28 centimeters. Given that the area of the triangle ABC is 160 centimeter square, calculate the area of the triangle DEC. So we will apply the formula of area 1 and area 2 equals to length of one triangle and the length of two triangle whole square. So area 1 we need to find out, and area 2 is 160. And length 1 of the smaller triangle, that is 3, and L2 of ABC, that is 12. I can cancel 3 and 12. So it will be A1 over 160 is equal to 1 over 4 square. So it will be A1 over 160, 1 over 16. After cross multiplying, I get 1 over 60 into 160. After cancellation, I'll get area 1 is equal to 10. This is 10 centimeters squared. Question number 23. Volume of the cone is equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h. Curved surface area of the cone is equal to pi r l. Surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. A solid cone has radius y centimeter. The slant height of the cone is 25% larger than the radius of the cone. So a solid sphere has radius r. The surface area is equal to the total surface area of the cone. Part A. Show that y is equal to 4r over 3. So if you see the cone, so this is cone, and radius of the cone is y, and the slant height of the cone is y plus 25% of y, 25% larger. So y plus 25 over 100 multiplied by y, this will be y plus 0.25 y, and this is 1.25 y. So this is slant height of the cone. So if you see the solid sphere has radius r centimeter, so this is sphere and the radius is r, capital R. Now the surface area of the sphere is equal to the total surface area of the cone. So we will apply the formula surface area of sphere is equal to surface area of cone. So surface area of sphere is, formula for this is 4 pi r square, and formula for surface area of cone is pi r square plus pi r l. So for the sphere, radius is capital R, and for the cone, radius is y square plus pi, radius is y, and length is, slant height is 1.25 y. So we will take pi as a common, y square plus y square into 1.25 4 pi r square. So we can cancel out pi on both sides. So it will be 4r square is equal to y square plus 1.25 y square. So this is equal to 2.25 y square. So now we need to make the y as a subject. So I will simplify it. 4r square is equal to 225 over 100 y square. So we will shift it. It will be 4 multiplied by 100. R square is equal to 225 y square. So it will be 4 multiplied by 100 over 225 into r square is equal to y square. So I'll take the square root on both sides. So it will be, this is 400 over 225. R square is equal to, it will cancel out, it will be y. So after that, this is 20 over 15. R is equal to y. After cancellation, I'll get 4 over 3 is equal to y. So shown. So come to the part B. Find the volume of the cone in terms of R. Give your answers as simply as possible. So if you see that the cone is, radius of the cone is y, and the slant height is 1.25 y. For the volume, we need to find out the height of the cone. So I don't have the cone, height of the cone. So we need to find out the height of the cone first. So it will be we will apply the Pythagoras theorem to find out the height of the cone. So this will be h square is equal to 1.25 y square minus y square. So this is equal to 125 over 100 y square minus y square. So this is 5 over 4 y square minus y square. So this is equal to, now I'm going to make the denominator same. So it will be 4 over 4. So this will be 5 minus 5y square minus 4y square. So sorry, I forgot to solve the square. I forgot to solve the square. So this will be, this is the square of 1.25. This is equal to 125 over 100 y square. So this will be 5 over 4 y square minus y square. So this is equal to 25 over 16 y square minus y square. Now I'm going to make the denominator the same. So it will be 4. It will be 4 with the second fraction. So it will be h square is equal to 25y square minus 4y square over, again I made a mistake, so I have to make the denominator same by multiplying 16. So this will be 25y square over 16 minus 16 16y square over 16. So it will be 9 over 16 y squared. So this is equal to, I'll take the square root on both sides. So it will be h is equal to 3 over 4 y. Now I will plug in the value of h in the formula of the volume of the cone. So the volume of the cone is V is equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h. Here r is equal to h and a. R is equal to y and h is equal to 3 over 4 y. We just plug in the values. Volume is equal to 1 over 3 pi y square and the value of h is 3 over 4 y. So this is equal to 1. I'll cancel out 3 with 3 and I'll get it will be pi by 4 y cube. Now I'm going to plug in the value of y that we already found in part A. So y is equal to 4 over 3r. So pi over 4 into 4 over 3r cube. So this will be pi over 4 multiplied by 64 r cube over 27. After cancellation, 4 times 1, 4 times 16, it will be 16 pi r cube over 27. So this is the answer.